Welcome to Healthy Home Hacks. Today, we're diving into boosting your immunity using simple kitchen remedies. Forget expensive supplements. Your pantry holds the secrets to a stronger you. We'll explore 6 science-backed remedies using everyday ingredients to fortify your defenses. From spices to probiotics, learn how to transform your kitchen into a wellness hub. Get ready to empower yourself with knowledge and make informed health choices. Let's start with a powerhouse duo: garlic and honey. Garlic, nature's antibiotic, releases allicin when crushed, offering antibacterial and antiviral benefits. Raw honey, rich in enzymes and antioxidants, soothes inflammation and fights invaders. Combine minced garlic with raw honey in a jar, let it infuse and take a spoonful daily. This simple mix can be your go-to during cold and flu season. Enjoy it straight or in warm water, but avoid high heat to preserve honey's benefits. This daily ritual can strengthen your defenses and keep you vibrant. Embrace the power of garlic and honey for a healthier you. It's a simple, effective way to boost your immunity. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons are vitamin C powerhouses. Vitamin C fuels white blood cells, your body's frontline soldiers against pathogens. Whole fruits offer flavonoids and fiber, enhancing overall health. Squeeze lemon in warm water or enjoy an orange for a vitamin C boost. Fresh is best. Avoid bottled juices with added sugars. Make citrus a year-round habit for a primed immune system. Ginger tea is a potent anti-inflammatory remedy. Gingerol found in ginger combats inflammation and supports immunity. Slice fresh ginger, steep in hot water, and add lemon and honey for flavor. This tea aids digestion, soothes nausea, and improves circulation. Enjoy a cup daily to calm inflammation and fortify your defenses. Ginger is a versatile remedy with numerous health benefits. Let this ancient spice be a staple in your wellness routine. Your gut health is crucial for a strong immune system. Probiotics in yogurt and fermented foods support a healthy gut microbiome. They reinforce your gut barrier, preventing harmful invaders. Choose yogurt with live cultures and explore kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. A healthy gut boosts digestion, mood, and skin health. Nourish your gut with probiotics for a resilient immune system. Raw honey is a natural antibiotic with powerful properties. It produces hydrogen peroxide, has a low pH, and high sugar concentration. These factors make it effective against pathogens. Add raw honey to teas or smoothies, or take a spoonful for a sore throat. Avoid high heat to preserve its enzymes and benefits. Choose local raw honey for quality and potential allergy benefits. Clove and cinnamon are ancient spices with immune-boosting properties. Clove's eugenol offers antiviral and antioxidant benefits. Cinnamon regulates blood sugar and has anti-inflammatory effects. Steep them in hot water for a healing immunity tea. Add to oatmeal, smoothies, or savory dishes for flavor and health. These spices enhance your immune function and overall well-being. Embrace their aromatic power for natural protection. Let clove and cinnamon be your spice rack treasures. They add a flavorful layer of defense to your routine. There you have it, 6 kitchen remedies to supercharge your immunity. From garlic and honey to citrus and probiotics, your kitchen holds the key. Consistency is key. These remedies build a resilient health foundation. Experiment, find what works, and enjoy the journey to well-being. Stay healthy and remember, your health is your greatest wealth.